Let's make some fucking money today. All right, so we are live trading, and right now I'm just kind of looking at the charts. Yeah, I just think the draw is sell side here. Now, it would be nice if we could manipulate upwards first and take out this swing high and create an SMT between ES and NQ. But even if we don't, I think I will look for shorts. Let me see. So let's see the 5. The market opens in like 4 minutes. Yeah, honestly, like hopefully we can just manipulate to the upside before taking out all of this sell side liquidity. That would be very ideal in my opinion. Like chop around a bit, market opens, we come up, take all that out, and then sell. That would be my ideal scenarios. All right, yeah, so we got the data wick, we've got the relative equal lows. Let me see how far we would have to sell to get there. Yeah, so it's like it would be like a 50 point trade from current levels, but if we manipulated back to the upside, it would be from that kind of general area like a 110 point trade. So I really hope we can get the manipulation, also because I just don't I don't really see an entry. I mean, honestly, here's what I would say. With the reversal we're starting to get, if we invert this 5 minute, I think that's an entry down to the data wick because we would probably just follow through. But we have to get that inversion. And I also don't love being in trades right at market open. So if we invert on this candle, it would force me to basically be in at 9:30. There's a little bit of a bounce off that gap. So yeah, we'll see. Honestly, I hope we can get that manipulation. Would have been really, really helpful if we had taken out this high prior, because then I'd have much more confidence in shorting even like this right here. But the fact that we didn't take out that high makes me think we might want to take it. But honestly, we're so close to this data wick right here that I might just short at the open if we get a close below. We got 40 seconds left. We got 40 seconds left. Any move down to this could be very quick as well. We got to keep that in mind. But we also seem to pump every day it opens. So it's like, what the fuck do I do? Yeah, we got. Are we going to open pump today, or are we going to dump down to these obvious draws on liquidity? All right, little open pump, little opening pump. Let's see what this actually gives us. Is this going to be a fake out? Let's see. So the 1 minute. Oh my God, bro. Yo, we're getting the pump I asked for. Let's go. This is what I wanted. Hopefully we can manipulate. Maybe we just take these two high, or this high right here. I don't know, like an internal high. Maybe we don't need to take that external liquidity. But here's the thing. If we get a 30-second short, guys, might be the move. Oh my God, there's no way to short 30-second because of the wicks. That's bogus. Yeah, so we now have a 1 minute fair value gap in play right here. Hold on. So, okay, so the 5 minute doesn't matter anymore. This is what I wanted. We're getting like movement towards the direction I wanted. We're getting the pump. Hopefully we can okay, yes, this is good. This is good. Should we still have the data wick? We still have the relative equal lows. It's all intact. We just took out this internal high. Okay, nice. This is what I wanted. This is what I fucking wanted, guys. This is also why I didn't take the trade right off open, because it's like I had a feeling, like I said, if we had taken this high first, I would have probably longed off or shorted off open, but it's just a risky play to try to do that. It's always risky to try to short the open nowadays. The market only goes up anymore, right? So look at that. So we have internal manipulation, possibly. If this is the high, if this is the top, I wouldn't be shocked. Yeah, wow. So this is starting to we're giving this back fast. See what ES is doing. What is our buddy ES up to? Okay, ES is making lows. Did ES take the data wick? Oh shit. Okay, ES took the data wick. ES didn't really make a data wick, did it? Wait. Where's the ES data wick? Where is that shit? Yeah, ES barely made a data wick. That's odd. Okay, so we got an SMT, a bearish SMT. That'll resolve itself. But, you know, the draw is still good on the downside with ES as well. Look at all this. Look at all of that sell side on ES. Like, I think it's the same if you zoom out on NQ as well, if I'm not mistaken. Like, yeah, I mean, that's just asking to be taken, guys. So much. But we got our manipulation. I mean, it'd be cool if we could take out the internal high, because ES certainly doesn't look like it's about to. So NQ's strong. ES is heading towards the sell side pretty aggressively, it looks like. My bad, I keep like scratching my nose, guys. I am definitely stuffy today. My allergies are kicking my ass, and I don't know why, because I've been taking my allergy meds, but I guess it's just like that today and this week. Getting fucking cooked, bro. I'm about to play some Clash Royale while we get an inversion here. Actually, what if we get an inversion on this candle? Then I'm gonna be pissed that I played Clash Royale, so probably gonna fuck off. Okay, so it's really obvious, right? We took all these internal highs. Sorry, we did manipulate, so now we just want to invert this, deliver lower, and get our short. Will we get that? I don't know. I don't know. These are large candles today, right? Like at the open. They always kind of are at the open. But I'm not in a hurry to force an entry, because what we're getting so far is like very choppy. It's chopped ass price action. Come on, give us that inversion. Give us that fucking inversion. Come on. Come on. Dude, we're right there. We're right there. This was obviously a Judas swing. Obviously a Judas swing fake out, right? Come on, give us that inversion. Really, bro? Really, bro? We're gonna do that today. We're gonna do that today. Okay, so we're in a 2 minute as well. So the 2 minutes interesting. The 2 minutes interesting. The 2 minute is interesting. Oh, we got a 3 minute as well. Holy shit. Okay, we got gaps on every time frame. No, let's see the 5. Do we have one on the 5? We do not have one on the 5. Okay, that's what I thought, honestly. So the 3 is the highest time frame gap. The 2 looks larger. It's just gonna be like, if we start selling, we start selling. We'll know. Right now we are chopping. That's all this is. Some days you just go into the market with a feeling about your bias. Like, I swear shorts can print today if we get a high momentum inversion right here, right? Like, I've seen this enough. I've seen data wicks enough. I've seen relative equal lows enough. This stuff can all just draw the liquidity very well. So I'm very confident that shorts can print, but we need... Oh, wait, let's go to the... Okay, let's see how the 2 minutes looking. Oh, we just almost inverted on the 2. Yeah, you know, when you're barely... Like, when you're close to inverting, but you keep not doing it, that's usually a sign that the market isn't quite ready to go down, right? Or vice versa, if you are looking for longs and you're trying to invert a bearish gap. If it just keeps on coming very close and it just doesn't get it, it's often a sign the market isn't ready. But here, the market might start to be ready. We just need to not overextend to the downside. Bro, we're going to get our delivery, and I'm going to miss it. That's insane. I don't know if I can take this now because we already took the internal low. Yeah, that candle really screwed us right there. Just completely overextended. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if that setup's valid anymore because we took the internal low, so there's no logical spot to stop to break even. I mean, let's see what the 30-second are we rejecting off of? Yeah, we are rejecting off a 30-second gap right now. I'm so confident we're going to sell off, but the entry is just horrible. Okay, now the dream scenario would be another leg back up to actually take out this swing high that I was talking about earlier, the one inside the gap, and then we dump. And then we dump closer to the highs and get a setup from there. So the reason I didn't short this right here, even though we got the inversion, was because we took this internal low before this candle even closed, as you can see. So I would have had nowhere to set my stop to break even. I call it like a safety net, and I like having a safety net. So if there's no option to have one, I will not take a trade personally. That's just the way my model works best. Honestly, I'd prefer we take all this as well before we come down. See if we do. So far, very choppy price action. Very similar to yesterday, actually. Yesterday, we had some choppy morning action as well. And I did take a loss. And then I made back my money and some in the basically like lunchtime hour when we had that reversal. But today, the price action is reminding me of yesterday in the morning, which is not a good thing, by the way. It's not a good thing. It's very choppy and hard to play. Okay, good. So we're taking all this buy side that I said. I really would like to move back up here, man. That would be ideal. Move back up there and then get the reversal. Now, if you guys, once again, if you're wondering why there, it's because it's a imbalance high. It's a high inside of a bearish gap, okay? So those matter a lot. Especially on the 4 hour, like this is a very obvious spot to sweep. Let's see what we can get. Unfortunately, there's no gap on this candle. We need a gap like closer to the high of this range. So like if we're going to sweep, I want us to make a gap in this upper quadrant because that way we will be able to get an inversion entry earlier on. Okay. So we'll see what happens, but right now it's just a waiting game. Okay. Are we taking it? We better take it. We're so close, bro. And ES probably won't. That's what I like. Hold on. So let's look at ES. ES is not close to this high, is it? Oh shit, it kind of... No, yeah, it's not. Okay. So if you go to the 1 hour chart, you can see ES is nowhere close to the same high. It's actually in a bearish gap. So this is good. If we get the SMT on top of everything, I like that. I do like that. Yep, okay, we got it now. SMT right here. Let's type SMT so you guys can fucking see what I'm talking about. Some of you guys are visual learners, I get it. SMT. Right? So we got the 1 hour there, and then we got the 1 hour here. That's just the best SMT. Now, I think we can start to sell off. And it would make a lot of sense to me. Okay, so now we almost also have a fair value gap in play, right? So we should have a 1 minute gap in play to invert. This one needs to stay open to an extent, but right, we should have one right there. If we get, oh my god, don't reverse on us too quickly. Okay, wait, we might have a 30-second inversion at the very least. Yeah, so we have 30-second inversion here, so I can play that if we do get it. Go back to MNQ real quick because, all right, obviously wait until both invert, and then I'm shorting. That is what I'm doing. I'm shorting that shit. Ready? Set.
Order
go.
filled.
All right. All right, so we are getting bought up for some reason already. Not sure why. Is this a 5 minute gap or something? Wait, okay, so we actually have another 1 minute gap here. Right here. So that needs to get taken out. I'm gonna look at the other time frames to see why we're getting bought up here. There should be no actual reason. Okay, so probably just manipulation. If we hit that low again, I'm setting stop to break even. All right, I'm setting stop to break even here. The reason behind me setting stop to break even, to clarify it, is because of this bullish gap right here that we have, okay? And so my target is going to be this data wick, like I've already mentioned, okay? So we'll see. I'm going to go refill my fucking water bottle. This better fucking hit, all right? Actually, no, I'm not going to refill my bottle yet. Fuck that shit. Let's see the other time frames. What's the 3 minute looking like? Like, what is all this shit looking like? Okay. I'm probably taking partials at this swing low from the morning. If we get that. Yeah, I'll partial here.
Order filled.
All right, we're about to hit our TP. Come on. Go down. Go down. Go down. Yeah, go down for me. 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 Oh. Come on, you're so close. Oh my god, we're so close. I'm going to cover one more here just in case we get edged.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got a data wick right there. Come on. We've got a data wick right there. It is right there, guys. We need to hit it. We got to hit this, guys. Let's go. Let's hit this data wick. I already covered, though. I already covered half my short, so. I already covered half of my short, all right? So, regardless, it's a winning trade, but it would be very nice if we could hit the take profit. It would be very nice if we could hit that take profit. Should I play Clash Royale until we hit it? I'm playing Clash Royale, bro. Fuck this shit. We're playing Come on. Come on. Give us that. Give us that TP. Give us that TP. Give us that TP. Give us that TP. Actually, wait. I'm going to leave. Should I leave a runner? No. We're not. We're just taking our piece of the pie and getting the fuck out, all right? Come on. Give us that TP. Give us that TP. Don't be naughty. Don't be fucking naughty. NQ's being naughty right now, guys. It's being very naughty. It's actually being mad naughty. I can't lie. I'm playing Clash Royale until this bullshit hits. Or until I get stopped out of the rest of my position for break even. Let's go. Who's clashing? Who else is clashing? You guys like clashing during your trading when you don't want to watch the chop? Let's go. I'm playing with the most AIDS deck ever. Trust me. Bro, what is that? What are we even doing right now? Honestly, this is insane manipulation. That's crazy manipulation, bro. I can't lie. It looks like we're going to... It looks like we're going to get stopped out of the rest. Fuck this Mega Knight, bro. I'm so sick and tired of facing Mega Knights. And my tower's cooked. Most likely. Actually, no, we're good. We're good. Oh my god, an Inferno Dragon is dicking my tower right now, boys. I should not play Clash when I'm trading. I don't lock in like I need to. Man, fuck this shit. Dude, I'm actually a free 3 crown. I'm actually a free 3 crown. This dude already took my... You know what? I got you, bro. I just made money in the market today. Whether I get stopped out of the rest or not, I'm up. You can have your crown, you fucking bitch. This is honestly some of the worst delivery I think I've ever seen. If like the fact that we didn't run right down to that data wick is blowing my mind. We were 1 tick away. Oh, not 1 tick away. We were like a few ticks away. Bro, what is this actually doing? Honestly, though, if we get stopped out for break even on the rest, what we might have is just another reshort opportunity down to the data wick because it would be relative equal low in a data wick. So, I mean, it's not the worst thing. But this price action is definitely on some weird shit today. Can't lie. All right, well, thank God for partials, guys. I'm done for the day if this doesn't hit, because that would be the worst price action ever. The final target was the data wick from the morning, and we did not even take it. We got very close within a few ticks, and it looks like we are going to get stopped out of the rest of my position for break even. Now, I did take partials down near these lows, but that's still ridiculous, man. That makes no sense at all. It's like some of the most...
Order filled.
Okay, so we have stopped out. Decent recap, some of the most inexplicable price action to pump right there, but you know what? That's definitely a sign to be done for the day. I'll do more of these live trading recaps and stuff if you guys enjoy this one, but that is definitely a sign to be done for the day. That shit was so dumb. Edged my TP. It edged my TP. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get better price action, but still can't complain. Made money today. I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.